Hi everyone, it's Burak from Trading Channels. It's 1st of August and I'm back with the weekend video. Let's start with ES as usual. This red resistance is the one that is holding it off right now. Okay, the green channel is the one to watch. It's not really a channel with one touch, but you can see here internal support held pretty good. I don't think it's going to get all the way here before and bounce. And why I think that is because of nasdaq and Russell. So if ES comes back all the way here, then the other ones would need a much deeper pullback, and it's not. I don't see that happening on nasdaq and Russell, which I'll explain in a few minutes. So my guess is that it's going to break this red resistance and keep on pushing higher after clearing the green internal resistance as well. You can see this green internal resistance that is going to be broken in my view, and it's going to get to 4,600. And Dow Jones is also looking very bullish to me. It's not only about this this level here that is being forced since May. I mean, you can see here it has been just below this $35,000 has been very resistant, very heavy resistance. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I mean, it has been very like a lid holding it off. Will it break? I think it will. After trying so many times and failing to sell, but I mean bears failing to control, I think bulls will take control again. Also looking at other indices, I reckon it's going to be going higher too. This blue resistance is the one to watch. If it comes back here again, I believe it's going to push higher. And what we had here is I posted this as a potential support. That red plus golden became a double support. This has been amazing. You can see here. And now this red one, if it breaks, this is a small bull flag, and the larger bull flag, that's not what I wanted to do. This is the larger bull flag, yeah. And what I expect is do this, come back all the way here, maybe another pullback later on, break to the upside. This is what I expect from Dow. Of course, if the golden bottom band breaks, that would be a failure of the bull flag, which would become very bearish. And Nasdaq here, this is the critical one. The blue trend, which we bought into right here, is still on. We had closed some part of it here, and then right around here we closed more, and then we bought it right here again. That was because of the black, but also the breakout level of the golden. So this was the breakout level, and this is the backtest of that breakout level. So the blue channel is still holding, and I'm hoping and I'm expecting it to keep on pushing. This is the red resistance. I mean, the previous support that was broken, and it held twice, you can see. And I reckon if it comes back here, it will clear it and get to the red top band. That's 15,200-ish. And Russell is the most bullish one so far because of the massive golden uptrend. That was just confirmed last week, which is why we bought at 2,155. Right now, it came back down to test the green plus red, and this was the previous red bull flag, and you can see it was broken, back tested, and it came for another one, and so far it's been holding. And this here is just a parallel to that bull flag, yeah, and this here is going to be broken at the next touch, I believe. So it's going to get there, probably pull back, maybe not even, and then break to the upside. The purple resistance is the line in the sand. It's as clear as that. You look at this. If it gets here, maybe we see another pullback and then break to the upside. That would open the way for 2,450, probably 2,600 as well. The main channel, I repeat, is this golden one, and that is a very young channel. If it does break to the downside, then I would change my stance entirely and turn bearish, as simple as that. But so far I don't see that reason why I should turn bearish. The trend is up, and FTSE here looking very good. Still not very good. I wouldn't say very good because it's been lagging big time. This year, it was a double support with the green and the red, mostly green, you can see here. And then the bounce came all the way here. This golden resistance was broken and it got back tested on Friday. Let me show you on the 1 hourly chart. That's even better. This was a triple support. Okay, so I'll show you the triple support this here. The green, the golden, and the black. You can see the black one, 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth touch, even fifth. And the green wedge, or megaphone, has been broken and back tested. Now I assume it's going to get to the the blue resistance rail, maybe small pullback, and then break to the upside. That is unless the black support breaks first. So let's see. I hope the black support doesn't break because I'm long FTSE. Here DAX also looking pretty good. The blue internal support has been holding. This is the blue bottom band. Not extremely accurate, but it's still good. This green resistance rail should be cleared, and we should see 16,000 plus probably this week or next. And oil US is a West Texas intermediate. This is the blue resistance all the way from 2008 high, 2 touches here, and this is the 4th touch. Tried to break it, failed so far, but I think it's going to break. And that the reason why I'm feeling quite confident is because of the Brent oil's massive broken bull flag. This is also from 2008. This is a giant bull flag, which is what, 13-year bull flag. It has been broken and just got back tested, and it held. So that confirms this channel even further. I don't think it's going to get back into this channel for a very, very long time, maybe never. Not in our lifetime, at least. Nasdaq, natgas. The red resistance has been broken, but the blue top band is holding. So this blue bottom band is quite accurate. The top band is all the way from 2008 high, and this one is holding so far. So, which I explained last week as well. If the red resistance's backtest holds, then we shall see the blue top band break, and we shall see the green top band at 5, which it will be the target, and it will probably turn into a major resistance to go for another dive. However, if this blue top band is really the one, a major channel, this blue one, if this blue one turns into a major channel, then it should break the red, completely ignore, even the green, so it should come down pretty hard, at least to the golden broken channel. Okay, that's how I see it, if the red doesn't hold. So there is still a possibility of this blue one turning into a mega downtrend, you know, something like this. I don't think, I think it's unlikely, but we'll see. Gold, pretty good stuff last week, with Federal Reserve not changing much. This was the blue, this was the main resistance, the red one, which was broken clearly, and it's coming for a backtest of that level. So, and maybe it may backtest this level at 1800. It is also possible. But then after that, I expect it to run again to the green top band. So this green top band, I sent it as a potential resistance. And the way it behaved is it turned into a resistance from a potential to a proper confirmed resistance. This here is a bull flag. And the blue one is a big bull flag. All right. So the day it becomes a breakout, that would also signal a buy. And silver is the weakest link so far still. You can see here, this was a really big bounce. The red channel is the one to watch, and the day it breaks the red top band, it becomes a buy. But so far it hasn't. Maybe we erase all the gains and then later on break to the upside. There is still a possibility to test $22, $22.50. There's still a very, it's still a possibility. And I would be a major buyer at $22.50 if it gets there, especially within the red. Wouldn't it be good if it comes all the way to the red plus purple? Then get all the way here. That would be a very nice bull long signal if it gets there, but unlikely, I think. Platinum is good. The red bottom band is getting confirmed, but it has to really push against and really gain back the golden broken support. Sorry, I take it back. It's not looking good. I said it's looking good. I said it's not looking good so far. The green bull flag has to be defended. Okay, and the red one, if it does hold here, if it sends it right there, then it's going to keep on pushing higher all the way to 1600, 1500, 1600. But it has to hold here. It allows a little bit more leeway to test 1020, 25, but beyond the green bottom band, it would be very bad. Let's have a look at forex now. Euro had bounced off the diagonal blue support rail. You can see here it's pretty good, and the green one is a potential bull flag. So if it gets there, maybe another pullback and then break to the upside, that would signal a long clearly. The red bottom band may still get tested. It's unlikely, and the reason I will explain is DXY, which is the dollar index. So there's just this recent reversal. Why is this doing that? This recent reversal here, the golden top band held perfectly together with the green resistance, and now the green one is broken. However, we may see a bounce off the green bottom band, test the golden top band, and then come down again. So it's still targeting 88 minimum within the golden channel. That's why I don't think euro will see 116 again. And pound sterling is looking very bullish in my view. This blue channel is broken. The red internal resistance is holding. You can see here. That's why we're having a pullback. Maybe backtest the blue and then move on higher. Or we may chop around, come back all the way to the red and then go higher. It's still bullish. Either way, I think the target is still 150, 155. US dollar, Japanese yen. I mentioned about the red top band as a potential resistance last week. It reversed right there and came back down. That was a very good short trade if you have taken it. Here, this may become the double support, but it doesn't have to. I mean, if it comes here and bounces, yes, it becomes double support, and it would target 112. we'll see. So all in all, US dollar down, everything else is up. This is still the trade. Okay, bye.